DIY stress balls. And we're not just making one kind of stress ball. We're making 4 different kinds of stress balls with 4 different things inside. This is our first time making stress balls, so we're going to be doing it live on camera. And if you're new to our show, hi, I'm Riley. I'm Grace. And I'm Grace. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. For more videos in the future, make sure to hit that notification bell. Now on to the video. And the things you'll be needing to make homemade stress balls are 1 balloon. We're trying white so that when you squeeze it, the ingredient colors will hopefully come through. Cloud slime. Play-Doh. Kinetic Sand. And Floam. Now on to the video. The first thing we're doing is Floam. I'm just gonna, these are stretchy balloons. Okay, I'm just gonna shape it and put it in. Riley's going to try to do it by herself, but she's going to end up helping me in the end. No, I'm not. Grace, I'll help you. Okay. Oh no, oh my gosh, my hair. Whenever you think your balloon is filled enough with the foam, you can stop. Now I'm going to tie it. I don't want to do just a little like Grace. I want to do a lot because you don't get the full effect of the stress ball if you only have a little bit like that. I think that mine is filled enough, so now I'm going to tie it. And there's no exact measurement for how much you need to put in, just however much you want it. So the next thing we're trying is this really stretchy kinetic sand, and it feels so nice. And I think this will be a lot easier to get in, other than foam. Or else it'll just crumble. No, it's a little. So this is slime kinetic sand. So you have to knead it a little bit, or else it'll just be chunky. And if you guys want to learn how to make kinetic sand, you should definitely go check out our kinetic sand video. It'll be in the link at the top. The reason we're using products like this is because if they were to pop, then the stuff wouldn't go everywhere. Kinetic sand. I wrote this one around my head. Now we are going to do the Play-Doh. You know what? I feel like doing green today. I'm doing green. Okay. I feel like doing what? Oh no, I want blue. Oh man. I'll do pink. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm on green now. Guys, it's so soft and nice. Oh. Time for Jimmy John is going to help me. She's not that strong, so she can't pull it that tight. But I opened everybody's balloon. So let's shove this in here because my teeth popped the last one, and I know I'm going to be first to finish because I'm already done. Okay. Yay! Mom, it looks like red. Look at that. Monster Jimmy. Stop saying Monster Jimmy. So my balloon, it kind of got a little hairdo at the French shop. All right, guys. So the next thing that we're doing is slime, but this is a bit sticky. This slime is really sticky, so I'm not going to be doing that one. All right, guys. So everyone abandoned me, so I'm just over here, and I am just struggling to get my slime into my balloon, but you know, it's okay. We'll figure it out in the end. Guys, Grace has used all of it, but you know, it's okay. Hi guys, I'm back. Ooh. My mom's nails are going to get ruined. All right guys, so we're back and we washed off our stress balls, and now it's time to rate them. Okay. First up is the Phloem one, and I rate this one about a 3 out of 10 because it kind of gets hard and it doesn't feel as nice as it does when the Phloem is just by itself. I rated it probably a 4. I rated it a 2 out of 10 because there's too much air and it just feels like you're squeezing a rock. Next is the Play-Doh one, and I actually really like this one. It feels really soft and nice, even though my kid has a hat on, but I give it about a 9 out of 10. It's really nice. It just has a little bit of air in it, but I really like it.
I give this one a 9 out of 10 because the color shows through. I give this one a 9.5 out of 10 because it feels really nice on your hands and it's not too hard.
I love playing with the Kinetic Sand.
Yes, I give this one a 10 out of 10. Super stretchy, really nice, and it's better than my sister, so it's definitely I give this one a 9 out of 10 because the Kinetic Sand is very nice by itself, but there just wasn't enough to make a really good stress ball. So guys, Riley forfeited on the last one. This is a 10 out of 10. The color goes through very well, and it's super nice, and there's enough to make a full stress ball if you get to the container before race. I give this one a 10 out of 10. And the color shows through, and it's just really nice, and it's not hard on your hands, and I wish I had more, but someone got to the container before me. Out of all the materials we tried, our top favorites are, my top favorites would definitely have to be the cloud slime, the Play-Doh, and the Kinetic Sand. They're all really nice. My favorites are the Play-Doh and the cloud dough. Thanks for watching. See you next time.